What's up, Jeepers? I want to share with you guys what I do to restore the black color of the side fenders and the front and rear bumpers. What I do is I, I use two products. One of them is Vaseline, that is cheap if you go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree stores, and also I use Armor. But for both, you need the plastic. Prior to apply the Vaseline or Amoro, the plastic need to be warm. So in that day that you are applying one of those products, is sunny, so will be good. It is not. You're gonna need a heater like the blower that the woman used for hairstyling. So one of those. Also, to restore underneath of your Jeep, you can paint all your chassis and the fuel tank and the exhaust pipe. You can use a high heat paint.